Hey everybody, it's Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world, and today I am covering 2 money-making apps. So these 2 apps, I've tried them and I've redeemed them, and they're pretty good, baby. I mean, obviously you're not gonna get rich from using these apps, but it's nice, you know, just to put your phone to work, get a little extra bucks here and there. Maybe, you know, you could buy a gift for someone or something, or buy a gift for yourself. Yeah. All right, so the first one right here is called S'mores. And what S'mores is that it's a lock screen. So basically, so let me show you. So when you click earn points, so you can see there's several ways you could earn the points, and you could use a lock screen, and over here it basically tells you what it does, baby. So you can earn 10 points per day simply just by unlocking your phone. Which is nice. All right, so I have used lock screens before, but the thing with other lock screens I've used in the past is that it will constantly have an ad on your phone, which is pretty annoying, and sometimes like something will be running in the background. It could be the lock screen or it could be an ad or whatever. And again, it's really annoying because it heats up your phone. With S'mores, I haven't had that problem or issue. My battery life has been pretty stable, even though I have the lock screen on, but the lock screen only shows up when you're actually unlocking. When you have your phone like just off, or not off, like on sleep or whatever, where the screen is black, nothing will show, but when you unlock it, it'll show you an ad, and you can just swipe up and it will unlock. So that's a great thing about it. Plus, on S'mores, you do have several other ways you can, you know, add up points. So, for example, you can refer friends. So this is my code. If you want to use it, feel free. We both get 25 points if you use it, so why not? And then you have offers right here. So over here, you can see like a few different things you could do. Board King, Wotoku. So you could try out different games, different apps, and you can earn points like that. So I haven't done any of this, but if you want to give it a try, man. So the only thing I've been using has been the lock screen because I'm just a lazy guy, and yeah, you know, why not? And then you could download apps. So when you download apps, you earn 5 points per download and up to 25 per day. So yeah, if you want to download and uninstall, you know, by all means, give it a try, but I choose not to. And then you can also play games. So the games that they have that offer points is pretty limited, but if you play any of these, so you play Slot Mania, Coin Master, Guns of Glory, or Raid Shadow Legends, I actually wanted to do a video on that, but so maybe I'll try to earn points while I try that in the future. But yeah, so you could earn points this way. So the more you play, the more points you'll get. And for Raid Shadow Legends, you get 14 points per minute. So you play like 60 minutes, that's a lot of points. But yeah, so there you have it. So that's S'mores, that's pretty much what it is. And then over here you could redeem, so lots of different things you could redeem. So you have gift cards. So unfortunately, there's no PayPal option. There is only gift cards, so that's essentially what you're going for. So right now, what I'm going for is an Amazon gift card. So they have $3, $5, and $10. So it doesn't matter which you choose. They all have the same amount, or they will all cost, like the point value won't change. So for example, it's 100 points per $1. So if you choose 3, it'll be 300 points. If you choose 10, it'll be 1,000 points. So unfortunately, the bigger value that you choose, it's not cheaper. Like it'll be pretty nice if you choose like $10 and it only costs 800 points. That'd be kind of cool. But nope, it's 100 points per $1. So that's how they kind of divided that up. But yeah, if you're not into Amazon, if you want to get a Google Play gift card, you could do that. So yeah, you got, so those are your options. And then this is your feed. So you can kind of see I've been getting 10 points every day. Just been unlocking my phone. And yeah, so that's pretty much S'mores. And hang on, so now I want to show you a screenshot just to prove that, you know, I got the gift card. All right, so here you have it. So this is the email I got from S'mores back in January where I first redeemed. So congrats on redeeming your S'mores points for a $10 Amazon gift card. You can claim by clicking the link below. So I already clicked the link below, and then they'll give you like a code, and then you can use that code to redeem on Amazon. So yep, they are pretty legit. And they actually, as soon as I hit claim, they sent me the email with the code almost immediately, which kind of surprised me. Yeah, I was a little surprised when I got the gift card almost instantaneously when I claimed it. So I will leave my referral code in the description. So if you want to give it a try and earn some points from using my code, you know, there you go. So now I want to go to the second app. All right, so here we have it. This is the second app that I was talking about. So this is called Killi. All right, so the neat thing about this, again, it's you don't really need to do much. And they actually just recently updated this. So before it was in dollars, but now they converted it to points. So 100 points equals $1. Yeah, so that's how it goes. And then down here, you have several options you could choose from, and you have a paycheck tier. And then over here, you can kind of see like the breakdown. So you have, so depending on how much stuff you completed, if you completed 1, you'll get $100 a month, or not $100, 100 points, which is equivalent to $1 a month. So you complete 2 is 200 points, 3 is 300, 4 is 400. So how do you complete? So over here, the browsing rewards. So you click on this, you need to install the plugin, you need to toggle, you need to turn on the plugin on, and then you need to browse 1 URL per week. So that's how you complete that. And then for the shopping rewards, you need to connect your bank account. So once you connect your bank account, you can actually delete it and then just leave your credit card connected. So that way, if you're, you know, you don't want them to have your, if you don't want your bank account to be connected, you don't have to. And they just need to make one transaction. Then you need to make just one transaction a week to complete this task. And then profile rewards is basically just completing your profile. The device reward is basically just sharing your device info. So basically, just sharing what you're doing, kind of. And then location rewards is sharing your location. So location rewards is kind of separate from these other 4. So you'll get points as you move around in your city or whatever. And then every now and then you can check for surveys. And the surveys are really simple and really easy to do. So sometimes they will have like a survey that says 1 minute, but believe me, it only takes like 1 second. And they'll give you like a cent. Or if you do a survey that has more questions, it'll give you like maybe 50 cents. Or actually, I guess in this case, it'll be 50 points. But yeah, so it's really hands-off. There's really not much you have to do. Once you have everything connected and you just, you know, just browse or shop or whatever, you'll start collecting points that way. And then over here, if I go to redeem, it'll kind of give you the layout. So you can't redeem until you have 500 points in your balance. So right now I have 110. And then your account also has to be 30 days old. All right, so you could only redeem every 3 days. And as you can see, I have 1 day to go. And the reason for that is because I recently redeemed. All right, so again, once they send you the email, you kind of choose which gift card you want to redeem for. Again, I went for Amazon, so I'll show you a screenshot of that as well once I'm finished going over this. But yeah, for the redemption period on this, it does take a little longer than S'mores. It takes roughly 5 days before I got the email where I could redeem. So expect around 5 business days when you're trying to redeem. All right, so over here you kind of see what's going on. And for the rewards, they reward you weekly. So over here you can see the shopping rewards, they gave me 25 points. Browsing rewards, I got 25 points. Profile rewards, I got 25 points. So 75 points per week. Again, pretty good. So they pay out weekly. So it should be equivalent to 400 points a month if you completed everything. Okay? And again, so here's my link. I'll leave a link in the description. So if you invite people over, both you and the person you invited get 100 points, and then moving forward, all the points they get, you get 10% of it. So again, that's really nice, and it doesn't actually look like there's a limit. Oh wait, no, there is a limit for up to 5 friends. So so if you have 5 friends that may be interested, you can invite them and just let them rack up points, and then you're gonna rack up points as well. So that's a great thing about this app. So they basically, so when I first saw this app, they're basically promoting get paid for your data. So that's essentially what you're doing, just putting your data out there and getting paid for it. And again, you don't have to do much, and you don't get paid a ton of money, but you do get a little something every now and then. So if you could put your phone to work, why not? And here is a screenshot of the email I received. So your $5 redemption is now approved. Redeem it for a gift card of your choice. So I click view reward, and then they'll redirect you to a website where you could choose what you want. And then once you choose a gift card that you want, they will give you the code. And again, if you choose Amazon, they'll give you the code for that. And then you can just redeem it on Amazon.com, which is exactly what I did. Okay, so those are the 2 apps I wanted to recommend. Both are legit, they do pay out. And I've used both apps. I used S'mores for like maybe 2-3 months, and Killi for I think a little over a month. I don't completely remember, but yeah, both apps are definitely good and they do pay. So S'mores, lock screen. Again, you don't have to do much. You don't have to do the additional stuff like downloading apps if you don't want to. You just swipe to unlock. And then for Killi, it's pretty passive. You don't have to do anything. Once you complete like the profile, you connect your bank account, and then you could remove your bank account and just leave your credit card connected. And then you could install the plugin for your browser. And yeah, once you complete everything, you get 400 points a month, which is equivalent to $4 a month. So yeah, I'm expecting Killi to maybe hopefully like release more stuff so you can earn more per month. But yeah, as far as right now, you get paid for your data, which is good. You don't have to do much, and once you get everything set up, you are good to go. Okay, so those are the 2 apps for making money. All right, so I am the Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world. And if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to leave a comment, if you have any suggestions for future videos or apps I should try out, leave a comment in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace, bye.